Hi, Miss Janet here from the Stova Library, coming to you with a craft idea. I have a fall craft idea for you today to make stained glass leaves. So, the first thing you need to do is get a leaf shape. So, either you draw one or you can be like me and go on the computer and find some different leaves, cut it or print it off so that you can cut them out. I've cut out a couple of different leaves because I just needed the shape. And then you are going to get some wax paper and your glue. And you need some tissue paper, some different colored tissue paper. Maybe you have fall colors or just whatever colors you have at home. I have some red and I have orange and green. And that's what you're going to do. You're just going to cut up some small little pieces. So you can see mine are just little, or rip them. You don't even have to cut them, but make them fairly small. And then get a piece of wax paper that is twice the size of what you're going to need. So here's my leaf. And then because we're going to put glue and the little squares of tissue paper on it, and you're going to need to fold it over and have the other side with wax paper as well. So get your glue and just put some glue on a fairly large area because you're going to have to cover it with your squares of tissue paper. So I'm just putting glue. So I'm going to put lots of squares on there. Here, I've got my glue. So now I'm just going to start putting squares of tissue paper. And make sure that you make the tissue paper cover the space. So don't leave lots of space in between. Just cover it all up. So I'm going to put lots of tissue on here. And you can do that too. Doesn't matter how the colors go, just put lots of tissue on there. And they stick to your fingers if you get the glue on your finger, and that's okay. Glue comes off. We need to cover up all of our glue with tissue. So that's what I'm working at doing. Maybe you're doing that too. Get all the space covered up. Lots of tissue. So it's okay if the tissue overlaps, but try to keep it individual. So just make sure, get all your tissue on the glue. There, I'm almost done. Pretty good. There, mishmash of tissue. So now I want to make sure that when you fold it over, you have enough of the wax paper to cover it up. So now on the plain part, you're just going to put some more glue so that there's glue on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to fold that over. So now it's going to look like this. You're just going to let it dry, let that glue dry, and then you're going to get your leaf shape. When it's dry, you can just put your leaf shape on and cut it out, and then I'll show you one that I've done like that. So here's my leaf that I cut out just like that. And when the sun shines through it, it's very pretty. I can't show you, but anyways. The other one, I made a border of black. So I had black paper and I put it around so you can see it as a little more dramatic. So however you choose, one with paper, one without, and then put some string on it or somehow hold it at your window so that the sun shines through and shows all the pretty colors. So there, as soon as this is dry, I'll be able to cut out another leaf shape and have another leaf. So I hope you have fun cutting up or ripping up your tissue paper and gluing it on the wax paper and getting a leaf shape. Here I have a smaller one, maybe that would be kind of cute too. And cutting it out and making a stained glass leaf. So there you go. 2 different ways with a black border or just the stained glass. So you have fun and I'll see you soon with another idea. Bye for now.